Have you ever heard of Iguazu Falls? If not, you're in for a treat. Nestled in the lush heart of South America, straddling the border of Argentina and Brazil, lies the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls. A spectacle of nature's raw power and beauty, this stunning waterfall system is a sight to behold. Picture this, nearly 275 individual cascades tumbling down in a mesmerizing dance, spread over almost 1 7/10 of a mile. This tropical paradise is teeming with vibrant wildlife and rich biodiversity, a part of the world-renowned Iguazu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As we venture into this journey, we'll uncover the history, legends, and the indescribable beauty of Iguazu Falls. We'll also explore the thrilling activities it offers, from scenic hikes to exhilarating boat rides. So buckle up, fellow adventurers, as we dive into the heart of South America. Join us on this exciting adventure to the heart of South America. Before we plunge into the falls, let's delve into the rich history behind Iguazu. The name Iguazu itself is a testament to the grandeur of this natural wonder. It is derived from the indigenous Guarani words "y", meaning water, and "uasu", meaning big. True to its name, Iguazu Falls is indeed a colossal spectacle of water. The story of Iguazu Falls doesn't stop with its name. It is beautifully intertwined with the culture and beliefs of the Guarani people who once populated this region. A captivating legend is associated with the creation of the falls. Let me take you back in time to a world where deities walked among humans. The tale tells of a deity who fell in love with a beautiful maiden named Naipi. However, Naipi was betrothed to a warrior, Taroba. In a desperate attempt to escape their fate, the young lovers fled in a canoe down the river. Consumed by rage and jealousy, the deity sliced the river in two, creating the falls and condemning the lovers to an eternal fall. Naipi was turned into a rock, forever subjected to the torment of the falls, while Taroba was transformed into a palm tree on the opposite bank, forever forced to watch his beloved suffering. The deity then transformed himself into a serpent and forever lurks in the depths of the falls, ensuring the lovers never reunite. The power of this legend still resonates today, adding a layer of mystique to the awe-inspiring beauty of Iguazu Falls. It's a poignant reminder of the power of nature, capable of both creating and destroying, of inciting both awe and fear. Now, with the legend in mind, let's explore these powerful falls. As we journey through the mist-soaked air, remember the story of Naipi and Taroba, forever entwined with the mighty Iguazu's roar, and let their tale remind us of our place as humble spectators in the grand theater of nature. Welcome to the Iguazu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This verdant expanse of subtropical rainforest is a haven for biodiversity and a playground for adventurers. The park is nestled on the border of Argentina and Brazil, where the Iguazu River carves its way through the landscape before cascading into the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls. Now imagine a sprawling patchwork of green teeming with a symphony of life. This is the Iguazu National Park. It's a sanctuary for over 2,000 species of plants, more than 400 species of birds, and a wealth of other wildlife. From the vibrant flutter of butterflies to the playful antics of capuchin monkeys, the park is a vibrant tableau of nature's bounty. But it's not just about the wildlife. The park itself is a spectacle of natural beauty. The foliage ranges from emerald to jade, punctuated by the brilliant hues of flowering plants. The air is filled with the chorus of birdsong, the rustle of leaves, and the distant roar of the falls. It's a sensory feast that leaves you feeling both humbled and exhilarated. For the intrepid adventurer, the park offers a range of activities. You can hike along trails that wind through the forest, offering glimpses of the falls and the river. You can embark on a boat trip, where the spray of the falls is a refreshing respite from the tropical heat. And for those with a keen eye, birdwatching and wildlife spotting are popular pursuits. The Iguazu National Park is more than just a backdrop to the falls. It's a living, breathing testament to the richness and diversity of our planet. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in nature, feel the pulse of the earth, and gain a deeper appreciation for the world we share. Now let's take a closer look at the main attraction, the falls themselves. The Iguazu Falls is divided into 3 main circuits: the upper circuit, the lower circuit, and the Devil's Throat. The upper circuit, as the name implies, takes you above the falls. This trail offers a bird's eye view of the cascading waters as they tumble over the cliffs and into the river below. It's a spectacle that leaves you in awe of the sheer scale and force of nature. The trail winds through the lush greenery of the rainforest, with several viewing platforms along the way. From these vantage points, you can marvel at the panoramic vistas of the falls, the river, and the surrounding rainforest. Next, we have the lower circuit. This trail takes you to the base of the falls, giving you a completely different perspective. Here, you can feel the thunderous roar of the falls, the spray of the water on your skin, and the cool mist in the air. It's an immersive experience that brings you up close and personal with the power of the Iguazu Falls. The lower circuit also offers opportunities to spot wildlife, so keep your eyes peeled. Finally, we come to the Devil's Throat. This is the largest and most powerful cascade in the entire Iguazu system. It's a U-shaped chasm where nearly half of the river's flow crashes into the gorge. The sight of the water plunging into the abyss, the deafening roar of the cascade, and the perpetual cloud of mist that hangs over the gorge are nothing short of breathtaking. The Devil's Throat can be reached via a train ride from the visitor's center and a walk along a long footbridge that crosses several islands. These three circuits offer distinct and unique viewpoints of the falls, each with its own charm and allure. Whether you're standing atop the falls at their base or gazing into the Devil's Throat, the experience is sure to be unforgettable. And of all these, the Devil's Throat stands out as the most imposing. Prepare to be awed by the Devil's Throat, the showstopper of Iguazu Falls. This mammoth waterfall is shaped like a U, plummeting a staggering 269 feet high and stretching 492 feet wide. The sheer power of the Devil's Throat is enough to leave anyone speechless. The constant roar of the water, the mist that shrouds the air, and the feeling of the earth trembling beneath your feet is a sensory overload that's indescribable. As you stand on the viewing platform, you can feel the spray of the water on your skin, the coolness seeping into your clothes. But don't fret about getting wet. It's all part of the experience. It's in these moments that you truly understand the raw and untamed beauty of Iguazu Falls. The Devil's Throat isn't just a waterfall, it's a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. It's a sight you'll never forget. Preserving the natural beauty of Iguazu Falls is a top priority. The Iguazu National Park, along with other conservation organizations, are working tirelessly to protect this awe-inspiring ecosystem. Their efforts include monitoring wildlife, maintaining trails, and educating visitors about the importance of conservation. Each cascade, each tree, each exotic bird fluttering in the mist, they're all part of a delicate balance that we, as visitors and explorers, must respect. The park is home to a myriad of plant and animal species, many of which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. It's a living testament to the diversity and richness of our planet. But this biodiversity is fragile, and it's our responsibility to safeguard it for future generations. So, during your visit, embrace the adventurer's code. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and waste nothing but time. Remember, when you visit, leave only footprints. And there you have it, fellow explorers, Iguazu Falls, a true masterpiece of Mother Nature, a place where the roaring symphony of the water cascading down into the depths of the jungle will leave you spellbound. A place where history and legend intertwine, where you can wander through the lush trails and come face to face with the Devil's Throat, feeling the raw power of nature. A place that calls us to play our part in conserving its unique ecosystem for generations of adventurers yet to come. This journey has taken us through the heart of South America, exploring the awe-inspiring beauty of Iguazu Falls. It's a testament to the wonders our planet holds, waiting for us to discover and appreciate them. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the world is full of amazing wonders, just waiting for you to discover them.